Alright guys, let's see if these tires will hold some air. Definitely off the ground. That must be reversed. See what that is. Now we got to get it running and push the clutch in and see if it actually stops anything. Clutch is not disengaging. It's trying, but it's also smoking, getting hot. So we're probably going to have to pull the motor, transmission, and clean all that area up and see if we can't get a replacement clutch, or I don't know if this actually has like a fiber clutch or it's like a cone, like kind of like the old Dixon ZTR mowers have. It's hard to see what it has in there, but I'm hoping I can. That exhaust is hot. I just stuck my finger on it. Perfect. I think I can pull the motor though, separate this. Probably have to pull the motor and tranny out at in one piece. The shifter needs to be gone through anyways. Well, I mean, it works. It's a little iffy, but find out there's some bushings or something in there that can be replaced and get it back to where it should be. But it seems to go in all the gears and it seems to work in all the gears. I don't think I have a problem with it going to be drivable, but I got to be able to release the clutch to stop. So that's not fun. but we still got to get the carburetor off. We got to change the oil in it, get the carburetor cleaned out, make it functional again. Then we got to work on these linkages. The brake and the clutch both go down at the same time, which I don't know if that's like a forklift type thing or it's supposed to do that. I have no clue. But so far the transmission works, and it does work in all the gears, and even the tires are even holding air. Surprising. They all have tubes in them. Maybe they didn't run through any stickers or anything, but only time will tell, like tomorrow, if they're all flat. But that's gonna be it for now, guys. We're gonna start this back up another day. I've got to get ready to call it a day, put all the stuff back in my truck, and get ready for work tomorrow. I'm already wore out. I got the pump back for this. I installed it 2 days ago, and guess what? Now I don't drive at all. So I don't know what they did to it or didn't do. It's back in the shop. I pulled it and took it this morning and dropped it off. They're supposed to be going through it. I don't know, after spending almost $700 getting the pump rebuilt, and then it actually was worse than it was when I sent it to them. Kind of frustrating, but anyhow, hopefully we can get this thing where it'll run and drive. I don't think we're gonna have a problem doing that. I really like to get some of these nasty welds fixed up, but I don't want to take away from the Petita. Sorry, like this, and just a pain itself. You know, tailgate, it's not, I guess it come off another Cushman. He's got several more out there, but this thing's been spray painted over the years. I mean, it's been used and abused. It's going to take a lot of straightening up on the sheet metal, but I'm going to leave it as original as I can. I don't want to go cutting and putting new metal in it unless it's just a have-to type thing. Fenders and stuff like this, I think I can actually get off and straighten out. I'd really like to find some of these white walls for the back too. I think that'd be super cool. And maybe possibly some hubcaps. I don't know if these had hubcaps on them or not. I bet they did though, or you could get them. But anyhow, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and we will see y'all on the next one. Later.